Om Shanti. Today, 2nd of September 2021. In today's Murli, Baba has emphasized on following points. First, Baba has given four beautiful signs of fortunate children. First, they follow Srimad according to the law. They do not do anything against the law so as to deceive themselves and the Father. They take full interest in studying and explaining godly versions to others. They make their full efforts to pass with honors and claim scholarship. They never cause anyone sorrow and never perform any wrongful actions. Underline it. Second, Baba has given us the comparison of study that we do to become surgeons, engineers, barristers to create our fortune. This is also a study for claiming fortune of kingdom of new world. Third, the Father has come to teach you and earn an income for the future. The Father comes to take you to the land of peace and happiness. Fourth, the Father becomes your guide and take you back home. No worldly guru can say that he will take back to you to home. Baba says, now this world has become old. Finish your attachment to this old world and connect your intellect to new world. The new world is heaven. You are claiming your royal status for that. Baba says you can explain it to others by showing pictures of Lakshmi and Narayan as they were in Tamopradhan world in their previous birth, and become masters of the Satopradhan world by making efforts as Baba taught you. Baba says with the power of yoga you can claim your rights for 21 births. Through Brahma, Shiv Baba is giving you your inheritance through Brahma. Baba says, consider yourself to be souls and remember me, your sins will be absolved. Now, Baba's blessing for us children today is, may you be a charitable soul and with the stage of lighthouse, stop performing sinful actions. Where there is a light, there cannot be any sinful actions. By your constantly having the stage of lighthouse, Maya cannot make you perform any sinful actions. And you will become a constantly charitable soul. A charitable soul cannot perform any sinful actions even in his thoughts. Where there is a sin, there cannot be the remembrance of Father. Have this determined thought, I am a charitable soul and sin cannot come in front of me. Don't allow any sin to enter your dreams or even thoughts. The slogan of today's Murli is, those who observe every sin as a detached observer remains constantly cheerful. Om Shanti.